Before we wrap up today's video, we also have asked our experts to share some of their insights and experiences.
Can you provide an example how PLM software accelerates product development cycles and shortens time to market?
Yes, let me think about. There are many different ways, right? And flavors, you could say, how our solutions from our PLM portfolio are speeding up the development process. Maybe let's pick up the topic from before, the collaboration topic, right? We support different styles of collaboration here, such as for the design phase, manufacturer, or the supplier selection. So let's pick the last one, that supplier selection one, right, as a use case now. When a purchasing department needs to work together with product engineers on a selection on a new external potential partner, supplier, for a specific direct material, for instance. With our collaboration solution, we streamline and ease the communication then, and also the data exchange, of course, define responsibilities and set clear timelines and transparencies by using our solution. And doing so, then we reduce time to nomination, time to selection, start sooner, the value-adding engineering tasks, and shorten then, of course, also the overall time to market.
Ulf, how does PLM software assist companies in adhering to industry regulations and standards?
Well, Jürgen, I think we mentioned a few of the aspects earlier. Let's take product compliance as an example. Here, many industry-specific regulations exist like RoHS, REACH, conflict minerals, etc. These are typically perfectly addressed with constantly up-to-date legal content and related checks and insights made available during the product lifecycle.
Right, Ulf. On top, industry standards for data interchange like STEP, VDA 4965, requirements interchange format are also supported by PLM platforms.
So are there any instances where customization of PLM software might lead to inflexibility or hinder scalability?
That's a good question, Jim. There can be an instance where customizations of PLM product lifecycle management software might lead to inflexibility or hinder scalability. Here's how. First thing is it's very difficult to upgrade if you customize it. Reduce interoperabilities as well. Increase complexity and also dependency and scalabilities. So let me go to the topic of difficulty in upgrade. When you customize a software solutions now, you customize it based on your business process. But when you upgrade the platform now based on the newest technologies, you have to make sure that what's the impact with my ecosystems. You have to take all that customization with you once you do upgrade, especially in the new platform or the new technologies. So it's hard to do that when you actually customize your software applications. When you reduce interoperability, customization can hinder the integrations between the systems system to system level, because it's actually impact the business process, how the data flow from one system to another system. When you increase complexity, that means when you customize the software, you can actually be able to make it harder to use and harder to maintain, and then lead to increased cost to your overhead costs in managing the system. When you actually, in regard to dependency, if you customize the software, external consultant and specialist needs to be involved to help you, support you with that. If they are the one who actually authorize or support you with the first customization of your software solutions. In the regard to scalability now, when you highly customize the solutions, it's hard to make your company harder to scale, because now you need to replicate the same system from one location to another locations. So to avoid all these issues, it's often best to start with standard standard practice, things that actually software companies offer to you right out the box. And it's easier to adopt that to your business process, because when you do that, when you upgrade either platforms, especially PLM, ERP, MES, now you are able to help your companies. Instead of focusing on software development, you are focusing on your customers and develop products to serve them. From my perspective, that is very important, because I think a lot of companies right now, they didn't realize that they get into the software development business when they start doing customization. And also integration is one of the examples that I can go to and be able to share with our customers from that view.